Today we have a 2020 Mercedes E350. We'll be doing oil change.
So pretty much the first thing we do is get access to the oil filter here. So pretty much get this air trunk out the way a little. I already did so, but remove this little plastic clip here, right there, and then I use a pick, just kind of push down on these here, just slide these forward and outward. After I did that, the number 27 socket and nice little extension here, we went ahead and unscrewed the oil filter here. So now we can work its way out without having to remove the air trunk for turbo here. So just kind of work it out a little bit, and here we are. Might need to clean up a little bit, but one less step we have to do. Removing that. So now I'm getting this out the way, and we're gonna lift the vehicle up and lift the oil. So now that we're under the vehicle here, we're gonna remove the furthest back cover here. Held in by number 8 bolts. There's 4 on the front. I've pulled this part to the other part, and then I guess 4 more on the back here, and I guess 1 on each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this entire cover here, which will expose the oil pan, and then we can start draining it. So now with the cover removed, with the number 13, we're gonna remove the drain plug here and let the oil drain out. So now with the oil draining, we're gonna replace the crush washer on the drain plug, oil filter, as well as these 1, 2, and 3 O-rings on the oil filter housing there. So let's go ahead and replace that and tighten down the drain plug to 29.5 foot-pounds or 40 Newton meters. And then we'll put the cover back on and lower the vehicle and install the oil filter. Alright guys, now that we're back on top, we're going to slide our new oil filter in. Pretty much the same way we took it out, just working your way under this here, push this inside. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this in, and then we'll add oil. So now with our oil filter in place, we're going to torque this down to 18.5 foot-pounds or 27 millimeter socket. And then we're just going to install this here and add 7 quarts of oil. Okay guys, after adding 7 quarts of oil, all we gotta do is just reinstall the oil cap, clean up whatever spills we did, and we're done. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos coming.